Alright, boys, Deus 2 9-inch cold. I showed some stuff with a manicure the other day, looking at the bird dog on it. Things besides killing. Some bullets, okay? There's a 69 caliber bullet on them nails there, boys. So you're out in the wild with this detector running a fast program. In an old sight. 2.5 for speed, 6.8 dis. You hear that? Well, you're hearing the nails. You're not hearing that damn 69 caliber big ass bullet down there, okay? Now we're going to bird dog. Now notice what happens here. We get some detection, don't we? We get some. But in my opinion, this machine doesn't behave as well on a target that shape versus a disc-shaped target. Notice? Shoddy. I'll even know it's canceled this machine because I've got an air machine right over my head. You see that 69 caliber bullet down there? That's a 54, I'm sorry, a 54 down there, okay? That's the bird dog. That's not very good, is it? Alright? Now, if I move those nails over there and get rid of this 54 caliber bullet, you heard what you heard on that machine. Here's the fast program. You know, you sort of heard the same shit when the bullet was under there, didn't you? Alright? Alright, here's our 69 caliber going in that hole right there on its side. Okay. Now the nails are crossed up. Fast program. Alright, you got to hear that. Now what's the old bird dog do on this? Notice that? And we get a little detection right there. Now that bullet is sitting more over there on the inside to the upper part of that camera there. So we do get some detection. With a lockup on one. Alright. Now those nails are setting about like they were. Bullet removed. Bird dog. Okay, so we're not hearing the same thing we heard, right? Alright, now those nails are pretty sizable there. Alright, here's a find that come out of an 1830s house site. A gentleman asked me to come and detect with him one day, and I had the Deus 2 version 0.71. Fast program. You hear them nails? You hear them, right? Okay, let's go back to the old bird dog. You're in an old site. Okay, bird dog ain't made a peep there. Notice that? Listen. Bird dog's pretty quiet, ain't it? Here's this old find that come out of an 1830s house. That's an old find too, boys. Look at that. It's under there. Bird dog. Now I'm getting detection in the bird dog. Now, fast program. Does it sound any different to you? With or without that nice find down there? Now them nails are sitting up above that now. Pretty good there. You see that? Bird dog. Locked up on 2, boys. So I am getting 4-way signal with the old bird dog there, aren't I? Okay, let's turn this camera off. Alright, camera back on, boys. And that's 2 modern nails that crossed up. And straight down right there is a clad dime bird dog. Bird dog's hitting on that, okay? Fast program. You ain't getting much there, are you? Okay, you got to hear that. Now, put them nails about like they were. Get that dime out of there with this fast program. You see there? You're still getting shit on them nails, ain't you? Bird dog. Nothing, okay? Now, watch this experiment here. You relic hunters out there, you know, just be aware, but there are good relics and relic sites that are not bullet shaped. Put that little 30, I think that's a 36 caliber, according to my buddy, found in a site by me. Alright. Now we done know the bird dog ain't sounding off on them nails, okay? Hear that? So the bird dog don't work there too good, does it, boys? Now remember what I've got the notch set in this machine, 3 to 99. See there? See there? Nothing. Now I can go to fast program. We don't get shit on it either. Okay? So it ain't like it's a total loss for you, right? You know, some people might say, oh, damn sharpshooter, damn bird dog ain't worth a damn. It won't hit that damn bullet. Well, as long as you're aware of that, okay? But again, that little 36 caliber bullet's not this shaped, is it? Well, here, let's put this old zinc and penny onto there. That's close to Indian head range. It's down there. Where are we at here? Okay, that's the fast program. But we already know we're probably detecting the damn nail right there. Bird dog. It's lighting that sumbitch up, ain't it? How about that shit? So if I move these nails over, put them back sort of like they were, take the zinc and penny out of there, now I'm back, I'm still in the bird dog. Look at there. What do you think about that? But what about the fast program? Hear that shit? How about that? You see what I'm saying? But right now, based on what sharpshooter is seeing, oh, and the Manicore, believe it or not, with its bird dog ops, it don't do well on non-disc shaped objects either. Now you can get some detection depending with the bird dog, but it won't be as good as like coins and buttons. Okay? Won't be as good. It's not totally inept, but it can be. Alright? Here's another nice find. Look at that thing there. That's another nice one I found. I'm trying to remember where I found that thing. It's got George Washington's picture on the front. Hey, this thing's a honker, boys. This thing's a honker. See it? Well, those nails aren't too long. Now, just for shits and grins here. Fast program. Speed 2.5. Silencer 1. What do we get on those modern nails there? So we're getting some action on them, ain't we? There's no non-ferrous target down there. Alright. Now, bird dog, we don't know what it does. I'm in it right now. See it right there? We ain't got jack. Let's put this old honker, whatever this thing is. See it right there? That's pretty close to how them nails were laying when I swept them last. I guess it is. Okay, now we're in the bird dog. That's a big one. Notice how big that is. Alright. Now let's go to the fast program. Locked up on 1. Alright. So you got to hear that. So you get feedback on this detector with just the nail. Just out of curiosity. Let's unground these and put these nails up here. Fast program. You got to hear that. Now that target is such a monster, this machine is giving positive ID on them nails. Alright? Bird dog. See there? Not getting anything. Alright? But if I change that target out to a dime, now that's a house, boy. See it? I change that out to a dime. Now I could go in the house and get a silver dime. Okay. Now I'm in the bird dog again. Look at that. What does the fast program do on that? See there? Not much there, huh, boys? So on some of your larger stuff, right? See that? Higher conductor. Now that thing reads up there, boys. Okay? That's bigger than a quarter. I believe I'm telling you correctly here. Yeah. You see the size difference, boys? Look at there. Okay. So, a little experiment there, but based on what I see, for your bullets, your cylindrically shaped objects, non-disc shaped objects, bird dog don't do so well on. Okay? Based on what I'm seeing. I hope you enjoyed the video.